what are the must-haves in women's and men's wardrobe?
Yeah.
And this age and time, so earlier when we started styling and all, there was a lot of, must-haves. ये तो होना ही चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. So there are not a lot of must-haves. I mean,
Yeah.
I think everybody has everything these days. But for
Yeah.
me, I think maybe 5 to
Basics.
6 in a woman's wardrobe, which would, oomph up your style completely. If you don't have a lot of things also. A white shirt is a necessity. The days I
Yes.
don't feel like dressing up at all, trust me, I just wear my white shirt with my nice toned denims,
Right.
and the stress, like, it just makes me feel so good.
Peaceful. Yeah. Correct.
White
Correct.
shirt, de-stress denims, and just, walk
Like
out
you
with a
said,
nice
add
bag.
a accessory.
Yes,
Right.
a nice bag, a little locket or something, and just go. So a white shirt is a must-have, definitely. I love V-necks,
Oh yes.
a V-neck t-shirt. And trust me, that looks good on everybody, guys.
Yes.
V-neck t-shirt
Right.
looks good on
Yeah.
every body type,
Everyone.
right
Okay,
now.
I'll
Yes,
remember
yes,
that.
yes.
Everyone
Yes,
remember
V-neck.
that. Note
Yes.
it down. Everything ma'am is saying.
V-neck t-shirt looks good on everybody
Everyone.
because it gives you a
Right.
neckline cut. Maybe thin, maybe heavier. If you're thin, short, tall, V-neck looks good on everybody's neckline.
Perfect.
So that just gives a nice quick fix to the days you don't know what to wear. Pick up your V-neck t-shirt with your denims or your shorts, your skirt, and
Whatever.
just
Correct.
go riding. Yes. The third thing that's very important to have is white sneakers. I'm sure we
Right.
Yeah.
all have them now. Yeah. Because
Yes, we
white
do.
sneakers
We
with
love them.
shorts, dresses,
Right.
glitter. Yeah, glitter, glamour,
Everything.
जो भी बोलो उसके साथ जाता है. Yeah. And I would suggest a natural pair of heels, like a nude.
Okay.
I love my nude
Right.
heels. I
Me
think
too.
that also goes with anything. You don't have a black, you don't have a white.
Correct.
Yeah.
Nude heels
Goes with
works
everything.
with pop color. You need
Oh
one
yes.
pop color. Any red, pink, blue, any pop color. You will use it with anything to oomph up your fashion completely, your style statement
Right.
completely,
It changes.
brightens up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One pop
Enhances.
two someday that you want to dress yourself up.
Yes.
Yes, completely enhances. And like we always say, that one little black dress.
Yes.
So for me, as a stylist, it's not that one little black dress. It could be your favorite dress. One
Oh
favorite
wow.
dress of yours, which
Okay.
you anytime. So you can style it even for a night event, even for a day event. You can.
Yeah.
So eventually it comes up to
Right.
styling, right? So if it's a
Styling.
black nice dress as well. At night you can wear it with like a nice pop color shoe or a glittery neck piece or a scarf.
Right.
So
Right.
you need to just understand that, and that one little dress you need is a must have that
Must
the
have.
days you don't know what to wear, you go and just
Wear
wear
it.
it. So, another very important point these days is, Sarita and Lisha, and I want to really, really put it into the audience out there is,
Yeah.
it's okay to wear that little too much. Okay,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
okay to be overdressed. Simple. It's
Okay.
okay. Yeah,
Right.
it's okay to be overdressed a little bit. Sometimes we dress up and we're like, is this too much? Is this a lot? Is this okay? It is okay if you are confident and if
As long
you
as
feel
yeah,
that this is what you
you're
want to feel at that
comfortable.
moment.
Correct.
Yes, and you are comfortable in it, and you want to go
Right.
out there in this particular outfit. You go out there and wear it. You're not going to look bad because it's your confidence that speaks in the end of the day, when you're styling.
Correct.
It's more about your
Agree.
confidence. Yes.
Right.
Yes. And yeah, I think I've kind of like covered up
Almost
the main
most of the
fundamentals.
important fundamentals. I
Yes,
agree.
yes, yes. The very important thing, one
Yeah.
second, sorry, just remember you are your own canvas.
Yes.
So
Yes.
remember that you are your own canvas. You draw yourself. So
Yes.
be you and
Yes.
just be real. you know, and styling will just fall in place. Just follow these simple rules and it's gonna be a piece of cake
A
then.
piece of cake. Correct, correct. I agree. Right.
Yes, yes, yes,
And what
yes.
about men?
And of course, the most important is to have your own. I'll tell you about men, and before we go to men, is
Mm-hmm.
don't you like your denim jeans?
Oh,
We
yes,
all love
yeah,
them, right? So
yes,
you need to have
yes,
that one pair. That
yes.
one pair is a must-have denim in your
Correct,
wardrobe. So
correct.
there are these 6 things that I've told you for women. Now I'm coming to men. Even with men,
Yes.
I feel a man should
Okay.
have a lovely crispy white shirt. It could be styled, it
Yes.
could be with black buttons,
Okay.
but one crispy white shirt, one black shirt,
Mm-hmm.
definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Because there are days where they don't wear, and
Ah,
you get very restrictive with men's fashion. So I think
yes.
if you have a very nice or a black shirt for men's, I think you can style it, wear it during the day, during the night, anytime. The days you don't know what to wear, that's
Yes.
you're to go. And one V-neck t-shirt for men. They look good on every body type. The
Correct.
healthy
Like you
ones,
said.
they
Yeah.
think that
Yeah.
V-necks don't look good on the. Yeah, I love V-necks. They look good on everybody. It
Everyone.
could be a nice black one. I would prefer like a nice black one. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, a black V-neck t is the perfect to go. For men's shoes, of course, right now important. What I feel is the white, and secondly, I feel a nice woodland, like a woodland
Yeah.
brown shoe.
Okay.
Not like those boot kind, a nice brown shoe which goes on
Shoes.
denims, which goes on formal wear. So you can wear it
Yeah.
with anything. You can style it
Anything.
up, and it just looks very nice. Yeah, like a nice
Right.
dark, like a nice camel, yeah,
Correct.
color shoe.
Correct.
And of course, your favorite denim, your
Yes.
bottom, your one
Right.
favorite bottom.
Yes.
You need that. I cannot live without my denims, though sometimes, in the heat that we live in, I think you
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
have a favorite denim.
Denim. I think we all do.
Yes.
Because I myself,
Yes.
I'm like, when I don't know
Yes.
what
So
to
these
wear,
are the
I'll wear
must-haves.
a
I don't
denim
think
and
that,
I'll wear a t-shirt or a
Yeah,
top.
same goes with me also.
yeah. So when we don't know what to wear, that's what we do. But then you need some like the special one, that one denim ki
Right,
jab
yeah.
bhi matlab I don't know exactly. ये वाला मैं
Uh-huh.
denim
Right, right. Perfect.
I had one more doubt. Even I'm sure that everyone has it. I wanted to. I know the term grooming. So,
Oh,
uh-huh.
yes.
what exactly contains grooming? Like
Like,
what's
what is it? Yeah, I think everyone needs to know what is grooming.
exactly?
Yes, so there is fashion, there is styling, and there is grooming.
Grooming.
Grooming
Yeah.
is yourself. Grooming yourself. Most important comes hair. You groom your hair, you make sure that you look good. Your hair is the biggest key,
Isn't
I
it?
think,
Right.
to
Yeah.
make you look glamorous and nice. Even for men, your hair, the way you groom,
Right.
for men, especially the facial hair, if it's groomed well, it's styled well, even if you have big beard, short beard, small beard,
Right.
no beard.
Yeah.
I
If
agree.
it's styled well, you just look so good and you feel good. And
Correct.
grooming,
Right.
again, nails. I'm a big fan. I always say that everybody who knows me, I'm very particular about grooming in terms of your
Okay.
nails, your
Right.
hygiene, your personal hygiene. Your nails
Yes.
have to look pretty. Girls, women, men. Why not? Why can't men have
Right.
lovely nails? Manicure done, pedicure done.
Yes,
I
All
agree.
those things come in grooming. Those things come in grooming where
Okay.
your hair is done, your
Right.
nails are done, you're
Yes.
looking, you're feeling good. It's about your personal hygiene and being fresh.
Right.
So
Right.
yeah, yeah. These are like
Right.
additional.
yeah,
And then
Yeah.
makeup.
Thank you so much
You're
for
making
sharing
sure.
it. Yeah. With
Yeah, like yeah. No,
small,
no,
small
no.
things that make a difference to our overall look, I
Why?
feel.
Thank you. Yes,
exactly.
your makeup, your eyeliner, your lip gloss, these all come under
Yes.
grooming. You're grooming yourself by cycling your own self also. Like how we've spoken about upcycling our clothes, you're making yourself brighter and nicer.
Yes, perfect.
Right, right. Thank you so much again, ma'am,
Thank you so
for
much,
You're
sharing
ma'am.
this with us.
welcome.
Thank you
You're
so much
welcome.
for sharing all these tips. Really, really helpful for me at least.
I am so glad. I hope I've shared good amount of knowledge and it's going to be
Yeah,
helpful to
yeah. I
everybody out
think
there.
you know the this topic is so vast that it can never be covered in
It
just
can
one
keep going
video.
on. I can
We
keep
can just
talking. I can
yeah.
keep talking.
There
I
are
can
like I
keep
can
talking.
there are so many things that I can still remember. Like yeah, we haven't spoken about this, or yeah, people might have this question or that question. But I think let's keep it for some other video and let's
Yes,
continue
yes.
with some fun
For the next
fun
time,
time now.
next
Yes,
episode.
yes, yes.
Yeah, even I would
Okay.
like to
So
mention one thing that if any one of you have any question from Mrunal
yes,
ma'am, you can just comment below in the description, sorry, comment
yes,
section
and
so that
and
we can
we'll try to
answer.
answer them as soon as possible. I promise.
Yes. Okay, so I have set of questions to you both. You have to answer them
Okay.
quickly because it is a rapid fire. And
Oh
Okay.
my
I'm
gosh.
asking these questions because you both are fashion designers and stylists.
Oh God.
Definitely.
So
Okay.
I'm
your
excited.
Me too.
yes. So let's
Okay.
start. Okay, my first question is to you, Mrunal ma'am. Who is your favorite international fashion designer?
My favorite fashion designer is John Galliano. I've always been a
Wow.
big fan
Dior.
of him. Yeah,
Love, love,
Dior.
love.
Wow.
Love. I think I would say same.
I love Dior. It's the classic. No,
Correct.
I'm gonna win it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
You're
win.
copying ma'am.
And I have one more is Oscar de la Renta. I really love his beautiful fabrics that he uses in his western gowns and stuff, his drapes and stuff. So yes, these are
Wow.
my favorite
Wow.
international
What about
designers.
That's
you,
really
Ritika? You
amazing.
can't copy
I
Mrunal
think
ma'am.
no, I think I won't. I don't know exactly who's the creative director. I don't remember the name. Sorry, but I think I love Chanel
Okay.
Ah,
because it is very much like Dior, but still it is chic, elegant, and
she's very chic.
very
Yes,
powerful.
yes,
Yes, and that
she's
I think that is my style, so I love that.
Okay.
yes, yes,
My
yes,
next
yes.
question is who is your favorite Indian fashion designer?
Oh yeah, that I know.
Me, Sabyasachi. I think the classic for me.
Same. He's my favorite
Yeah,
designer
Both
as
have
well.
same choice
No, he
only.
is. He is
because he's just
actually,
classic, and I am into
yeah. I think more
bridals,
than
and
his
I
work,
always design classics.
right?
So yeah,
I
And
have,
he's
yeah.
my
I
favorite
have
too.
grown up watching Band Baja Barat, so I
Oh
have
wow.
like, yeah. So I
Ah,
was like,
so for me, I
I've been his
worked
fan.
nice. So I have worked with Sabya in the New York Fashion Week.
Oh wow, that's
Wow.
amazing.
So
Wow.
yes,
Wow. So my
yes,
next question
yeah.
for you
I
is
was like, wow, yeah.
who is your favorite international style icon?
For now, right now, I really think Meghan Markle. She's really doing really
Okay.
well.
Okay.
She's not being cliched because the Duchess and stuff like that. So style.
Right.
She's, I think, right now very chic, very elegant, very simple. She has her own style and personality. So I really like Meghan Markle.
Yeah, right.
Okay. What about
For me, I think I would say Annie Hathaway. I love her. Like,
Nice. Yes.
yes.
so next is
Love
who
her.
is your Indian style icon?
Favorite Indian
Sonam
style icon.
Kapoor. I think she has
My
a
goodness.
very lovely
I think
style.
Richa has the same
Savita knows
as
this.
well, ma'am.
Yes.
I know
I mean,
her.
how can two people be so similar? Wow.
There is I even like Deepika Padukone,
Yes.
her
I
style,
adore
but
Priyanka
she
Chopra
does
as well.
sometimes. But yeah, Priyanka Chopra as well. But like
Yes.
somewhere I feel Sonam Kapoor's style is just very niche,
Stands
like
out.
very
Yes.
very chic,
Yes.
very stylish. She
I agree.
dresses to the point. May it be red carpets, may it be just
Whatever the
simple
event may be.
appearances.
Correct.
Yes, yes, yes.
I
She's
think a
just
lot of people, I
amazing.
remember when I shared, like we had to share our favorite style icon in our styling class during college. And I said Sonam Kapoor, and everyone was so disappointed. They were like, why her? She dresses so
Really?
funny. And I'm like, like,
No, I think she
seriously.
wears the best is Anamika Khanna's,
Exactly.
the Gaurav
Yes.
Gupta's, the Manish's,
Yeah.
and she wears
Priya
the
Kapoor is
beautiful. She wears
amazing. She does
Dior's.
such
She
amazing
wears
work. Yes,
Yeah, she wears all
I would
the
agree.
international brands, and the best is when she wears those antique clothes, from the thrift
Right.
as well, and it's just amazing. She mix matches it, she styles it so well.
Correct,
And
She
correct.
does it effortlessly, I feel. It's just very
We actually had to
effortlessly.
do like a photo shoot for the same style of whichever is our favorite style icon, and I did her as
Uh-huh.
my style icon, and I
Oh, wow.
shot it.
Nice,
Yeah, I did a photo shoot. I can share the
nice,
images
nice,
later on
nice,
at the
nice,
end of the
nice.
video.
okay, so last question from me, my side. That's what would you do if you were not designer?
Okay.
What would I do if I was not a designer? I have never thought of that.
Yes.
I think I would have always been a designer. Always.
Wow, wow, really amazing.
Something relating to clothes and fashion. But that's it.
For me, I think I would be a teacher.
Oh,
Like, I always wanted to
Oh,
do that. So
wow.
yeah.
wow. Really nice
That's a
to
good
So now I
option.
think
Huh? I like
yes,
teaching.
yes, you're with us, and I hope you enjoyed the video. She's shared so much of her knowledge and experience with her. I hope it is useful for everyone. And also, don't forget to,
like, share, and subscribe.
and
And
also,
also hit the bell icon.
so that you get notified every time we come up with a new video. Thank you,
Love
and
you
bye
guys.
bye. Stay safe.
Bye.